Hello everybody and welcome back to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you what to do if a game is not opening on Steam. Well, the first solution is going to Steam and settings, and once you're here you have to go to downloads, and here in downloads you have to clear the cache. So when you clear the cache, this might resolve issues downloading or starting apps. So you press this and you wait a few seconds or minutes till the clear cache finishes. And the other option is going to the game that you want to fix. If this solution didn't work, for example the Binding of Isaac Rebirth, you press right click, properties, and then you go to installed files. So you press verify integrity of game files, and this will take a moment depending of the size of the game, and when it finishes it will start downloading all the files that are corrupt on our game. So this way we'll fix every problem that we find in the games, and then we'll be able to play the game again. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, press the bell in the subscription button, and see you in the next easy way video. Goodbye.